It's been a little while since I've ridden my bike. I think it's been about probably 2 months because I wasn't planning on riding it again because I kind of thought it would sell a little bit quicker, but either my price is too high or no one wants to spend money right now, which is maybe understandable. So I think I am planning on just trading it in, honestly, next summer. Less hassle. Typical GS rider, not nodding back. Some people are just paying attention to traffic. How about that? But yeah, I haven't actually touched my bike in about 2 months. The train's a little dry and the brakes are a little seized, but you know, still rideable. Every time I get on the bike, I always forget how much I just love it. Like when you've been riding a while, I feel like it just becomes another kind of normal thing that you do or don't do. The feeling of actually just swinging your leg over just never changes, especially if it's been a while. Let's go this way, actually. So this is the back roads from Elgin to Lossie, which are pretty good, usually. Oh, it's windy. Whoa. Got a Speedy Gonzales over here. Let's go along to Lossie Pier, quite a picturesque little road. Oh. The best thing about being a biker, you can weave between the speed bumps. Just realised I don't think I've actually ever taken a vlog in Lossie, which is weird considering it's basically the Venice of Scotland. Bumpy, bumpy. And now we will proceed to go down possibly the steepest hill in Lossie. Thank God for engine braking. I'm struggling to keep my head straight. It's like someone's pushing against my face. I feel like I'm leaned at about a 15-degree angle and I'm just going straight. I'll be a good citizen today. Not that I jump red lights, just, you know, if it light's turning orange, you can make it through, but the absolute cheek of some people when you're just gonna let them out anyway, but they just go anyway. God, if you're gonna go, I want to feel good about myself. Selfish but I guess I could have let you go. But I don't want to confuse the other people coming out of the junction, so no. Oh no. Yeah, I'll go in here. Beautiful. Ben Rick. Yeah, that's right, I just ride around and read the signs out loud. It's just content. That's a question. See, in that scenario, when you have right of way, do you move over for the car, or do you have a dominant position on the road? I could be wrong, but I feel like the highway code tells you should probably take just a dominant position on the road to avoid crushing, etc. I don't know. I usually move over because I'm a saint. But no, I'm curious. What do you guys do?